Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2018 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has front wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, little roof spoiler, roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front. We got the nice Escape logo on our doors here, silver and black accents. Heated door mirrors as well, which is pretty nice. And moving to the front, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always handy. 12-volt lights so you can see what you're doing. Can collapse the last row if you need additional storage. You got a cargo cubby hole as well with your normal storage below with a spare tire. And to close, you just pull it down and slam it shut. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seem to drive pretty comfortably. We do get this gray and black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, 12-volt, and you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with storage below, same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 50,411 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, voice, playback, play forward, phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen, which you can then go for your trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, all that fun. We got our gear select here, parking brake, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got storage above and below with a 12-volt auto stop traction, heated front seats with dual climate up front, storage below, and we got our radio, media, phone, menu, Sirius XM, hazards, number keypad, CD, nice little screen there, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8315, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.